That mysterious wet spot on your floor isn't going away. Your water bill keeps climbing, but you can't find the source. Here's the scary truth. You might have a slab leak eating away at your home's foundation. Most Melbourne homeowners have no idea their concrete slab is hiding a plumbing disaster until it's too late. By then, you're looking at thousands in damage, and that's just the beginning. Doug Herrell Plumbing has been Brevard County's slab leak detection experts since 1980. We've saved countless families from foundation catastrophes using advanced technology that pinpoints problems without destroying your property. When Melbourne homeowners need reliable leak detection services, they trust our proven methods. While other companies guess, we know. Our non-invasive equipment finds exactly where water is escaping beneath your concrete. No jackhammers, no mess, just solutions. We're not newcomers trying to make a quick buck. We're your neighbors, a family business that's called Melbourne home for over 40 years. From detecting hidden slab leaks to complete repiping, we've protected thousands of Brevard County properties. Stop gambling with your biggest investment. Every day that slab leak goes undetected, it's costing you more. Call Doug Herrell Plumbing for your free estimate today.